Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video for you about how to make a gallery wall. So this is something I've been wanting to do for such a long time, but I wasn't sure what the perfect wall in my house was to do it, and I couldn't find frames that were cheap enough because you have to buy like 6 or 8 of them. But finally I was like, okay, I'm just gonna figure this out, and I did. So yeah, I want to show you guys how I do it. I'll take you along with the process. It's gonna be over a few days. Today we're starting with using painter's tape, this stuff, to map out on the wall how it's gonna look, because I want to be sure that I like the size frame that we're choosing before I buy them. So let's get started. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more. Okay, so what I've done here is masked off with the tape exactly where the frames are gonna go. I didn't complete all 6 of them because I could tell that I liked how it was looking and it was a good size for the wall, so I definitely could have finished it off, but felt like I was convinced after just doing these lines that this is what I wanted to go with and the sizes were correct. Okay guys, so it's been about a week and a half to 2 weeks since I last filmed in here, and the tape is still up in the wall, which is actually nice because I've gotten more and more used to how the gallery is gonna look, and I like more into it than when we started. So I got a few things in the mail. The first thing that I got are these matte frames, and this I believe is a pack of 10, and yeah, they were really inexpensive, so I'll link these down below. And then I spent some time on Shutterfly and Smug. I actually use Smug a lot to store my photos, but I ended up buying the photos I chose on Smug because it was less expensive than Shutterfly, but I do like both of them. So I decided to go with 3 color prints and 3 black and whites. The black and whites are of me and my husband, mostly from our wedding and I think our engagement photos, and then my son as a baby. Well, I mean, he still is a baby, but in color photos. So that's what I'm going with. I wanted to do a mix of color and black and white, so these came in the mail. The last thing that came in the mail were the actual frames. I bought these at Hobby Lobby. They were only $4.99 each. They were 50% off, but I had been watching the prices for a while and they were 50% off pretty often. Normally they're $9.99. So yeah, they just look like this. Very simple and everything, but yeah, perfect for what I'm doing. Like I said, I did not want to spend a lot of money. So yeah, I got 6 of these. These are the 16 by 20 frames. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is put all of the pictures into the frames, and then it'll be time to hang them up finally on the gallery wall. I just finished putting together the frames, so I want to show you guys close up how they look and just let you guys know a few things. One, they are not the easiest to assemble. I mean, they're simple. It just takes time to like fit the pieces back in. The top part of the frame is plastic, not glass. I was really worried about this because I have bought plastic frames like at IKEA before that I really didn't like. You could really tell they were plastic. These ones, I feel like you can't tell. They look just as nice as glass. But yeah, everything else, it was pretty simple to put together. I didn't have to like break my nails or anything on all like the little pieces. You know how frames sometimes have that? I hate that. So yeah, these are really nice to put together, really easy. Okay guys, now that all the pictures are in the frames, I'm just gonna lay them out on the floor just to like get a sense of which ones I want to put where. I have an idea in my head, but I want to make sure it's right before I put it up on the wall. Also, if you hear a little baby, there's a little baby running around. All right, let's do it. Okay guys, so I've got my tool belt. I know, I'm so cool. I have hammer, nails, a level, and a pencil. So what I'm gonna do is, because these frames have one hook at the top to hang them, I'm just gonna place them where I wanna go, and then with my pencil make a little dot right where this is, and then that's where I'm gonna put the nail. All right, let's do it. Okay, quick update. I was not actually measuring and marking stuff the way it was supposed to be done. So my husband, who like actually knows how to hang frames, is going to do it. I think it's just a time where you have to like admit to what your skills are. Patience is not one of my skills, and measuring and that kind of stuff just takes time and patience. So I'm just gonna let my husband do this part, but I don't want anyone out there to think that they can't do it themselves, because you can. Also, definitely use like command strips so you don't have to nail stuff into the wall. Pro tip. My job has now been reduced to picking up nails that fell on the ground, but that's cool. Like, everyone has a role here. Also, if you guys think I'm the only one not helping, check this out. Really? Are you not helping with the gallery wall? So tired. In case you're wondering what goes on when we try to film videos around here. All right, Max, I think she's sleeping. She doesn't want the bone. Okay guys, the gallery wall is done. I'll give you a full tour of it in a second. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more. I make content about being a Jewish mom, minimalism with kids, and all things like that. So yeah, all right, let me show you guys what the wall looks like. So this is the doggy that sits underneath the gallery wall. And this is the gallery wall. So these are from when Max was born, when he was 6 months. I took those ones, by the way. And when he turned 1 year old.